Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off voice chat in PUBG Mobile. To turn off the voice chat in PUBG Mobile, first of all, launch open your PUBG application on your device, and once you're inside the lobby screen, go ahead and click on your arrow button at the bottom right corner, and from the expanded menu, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on the Audio and Haptics option on the right corner. Inside Audio, scroll down and look for this voice chat feature and go to Background Voice Chat and click on Disabled right next to it. Once you disable this background voice chat feature, you'll be able to turn off the background voice chat on your PUBG game. Now you can enjoy peaceful, distraction-free matches in PUBG. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.